Hey, welcome back. Before anything, make sure you subscribe and at the end of the video, give it a like. That will help me. Thanks. Hey guys, so like I told you, I just ordered a few parts. I got air intakes, red alpha. We're gonna be installing them right now. First things first, gotta eat. I'm hungry. I don't know what you guys usually order. Let me show you. Yep. Double Big Mac. They're so good. I love them. You guys have to try them. Double Big Mac. Yeah, and you guys gotta stay in tune because I also order more parts. I should get them tomorrow. No. Next week. Sometime next week. And I'm excited. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. You have to watch the video. But yeah. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna start with removing this part using a flat screwdriver. Let's see. I need to organize all this sometime. There's one here, but yeah, I'll use this. So yeah, it's really easy. So using my other hand, I'm left-handed. There you go. You just pop them like that. And then once you do that, you can pull them, and it's really easy. You don't screw them up. You can still use them. So yeah, let's do that. I wanted to show you really quick. I don't think those filters were changed like ever. I mean, I only had 25,000 miles, but they look really dirty. Both of them. So yeah, it's gonna feel very different once I put the other ones on. And I have to keep an eye, so it looks like they get dirty really easy. So I'm gonna have to wash them pretty often. Okay, got one out. Really easy. There's a turbo right there. Let me focus real quick. There's a turbo. That's one. Actually, I need to remove the MAF sensor out of that. And then I'm gonna put the other one together here and there. It was really easy. Really, I only loosened up the little bracket over here, and then it came out. Okay, so what I did the hose, put the hose in there first, and then the MAF, then this little plastic, then the filter, then tight the filter through this little hole, and the little bag, where did it go? Oh, right here. Little bag comes with this black caps that go in there to cover the little hole. That way heat doesn't go through there. But yeah, I don't think it came with instructions. I didn't see any. I just been figuring it out as I go. It's no hard. I mean, it just took me a minute. The other one is gonna be faster. But yeah, I'm almost done over here. Okay, intakes are in. This one has a vacuum hose that goes right to the valve cover. So it took me a little bit longer. And this space for the turbo right here is a little bit tighter. Like there's more stuff around it. So I had to use a big extension to tie the hose. But both turbos are there right now. I'm gonna put this in a second. I'm just gonna test it, make sure there's no codes or anything like that. Okay. All smooth, no codes. Oh, ho, ho. Sounds so different. Can't wait to drive it. Let's see if you can hear him. Okay, well, my thoughts. It sounds a little bit better. So once I put the cover on top, it doesn't sound as much, but I can tell a little bit of a difference. Something that I did notice, yes, it does have more power through the whole power band. Maybe a little bit more at the high end. Not much difference. But once I tune it, that's when I'm gonna take advantage of those intakes. But yeah, I can't wait for what's coming next. Stay tuned. I will show you what I'm gonna be doing. Thanks for watching.